I started having problems in the early 80s, mid-80s, health issues with my stomach. I was living in Puerto Rico at the time, and I went to the doctors there, and I was diagnosed with acid reflux, and I was treated or not treated. I moved back to Canada then in '88, went to a doctor here, and I was then diagnosed with hiatus hernia and given Losec. And that pretty much controlled the problem. Around the same time, I also started having bowel issues. I had irritable bowel, I had diverticulosis, and shortly after then I also developed pain, neck, backache, and then in 2000, approximately 2003, I had prostate cancer. And that pretty much summarizes the health issues, other than knee surgery, shoulder surgery, breaking a wrist kind of thing. Because I did have the issues with my bowels, and I was going to a hospital emergency room, and I was going to my own doctor several times a year, quite often in fact. I decided that I'd once again be a little more proactive, so I came to Dr. Kidd, and almost immediately he determined that I could possibly have gluten sensitivity or even celiac. So I was tested, and sure enough I was gluten intolerant, and I immediately went on a gluten diet, and that's approximately 2.5 years ago, 2 years ago. And today I feel better than I have in 10, 15 years. And I'm not going to hospital emergencies, I'm not going to my doctor, maybe once a year kind of thing. Coming in to see him, he took the time, I think it was at least a half hour. When I got the blood test results, when I got the gluten report, it was all in writing and very, very clear. So I was able to take that home, especially the blood test results, and took a real interest in what those blood tests revealed. And I was given the supplements, and I'm sure that must have helped as well, but practically all of my issues have now disappeared. I also had, for example, numbness in my fingers and feet, and soreness in my hands and feet, and that is pretty much gone as well. And I attribute that to the gluten, but it could possibly have been the supplements that I was given as well.